In this video I'm going to show you how to create a line graph in Google Sheets. So for the first step we need to enter some data into our sheet. We have done this, some fruits, and of course the quantities of the fruits which we have in stock. So the next step is to insert, of course, the chart. So what I will do, I will select the first product, and after that I will go to insert. Now you go to the chart, and as you can see, by default the pie chart is selected. But we would like to create a line graph. So what you have to do is go to chart type, then select the line graph. And once you have done this, you will see that this line chart is displayed in our sheet. Now you can place it wherever you want, resize it maybe to make it smaller or bigger, however you would like. The next step is of course to customize it. You can customize it by your own preferences. You can change the colors, you can also change the axis. Basically everything, but I will leave that to you. And this is how you create a line graph in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!